Is your organization stuck in the AI trough of disillusionment? Are your users generating memes when they could be improving their daily workflows? Do you want to get more out of your AI investment, but lack a clear organization-wide adoption plan? With CDW's Applied AI Academy program, we'll help you convert infrastructure spend into measurable outcomes through programmatic workforce enablement and skills transformation. This managed training program breaks through adoption resistance and helps your users work alongside AI. They'll learn ways to increase their own productivity and promote enterprise-level use cases. Through engaging videos, instructor-led seminars, and interactive workshops, your teams will progress through our role-differentiated program in 3 phases. Your end users will build their skills and confidence, while your technical teams adopt new ways of implementing enterprise AI solutions. And regular program reporting provides visibility into the results of the human component of tech adoption. By seeing how users are integrating AI into their daily workflows, leadership can realize clearer, more measurable ROI. With over 15 years of experience designing and delivering workforce development programs, CDW's experts help organizations accelerate adoption, reduce risk, and build the cross-functional skills their teams need. And we have training for every persona, from knowledge workers to AI engineers, so no one is left behind. Ready to learn more? Reach out to our team today to find out how CDW helps you get more out of AI.